Paul Fredericks from Imperial Cargo. I'm the check manager here. I'm nationally responsible for compliance to the OSACs and to the various ISO standards which we have in our organization. We subscribe to the ISO 9001, which is a quality management system, RTMS, which is a road transport management system, ISO 14001, which is the environmental management system, and ISO 22000, which is the food safety management system. Before Mango, we had a lot of Excel spreadsheets, and because of the subscriptions which we have to the ISO organizations, the information became too much, and I became a risk to the company in keeping everything compliant. The pain and problems which we had with the old system is that we met certain of the deadlines when it comes to the compliance to those ISO standards and to the quality standards and to the National Road Traffic Act. We've been using Mango now for the past 2 years. Mango makes it very easy for us because we get alerts 30 days before the time, a month before the time, on the day that it's due, a day when it's overdue. It assists us that it goes to the various departments, to the various responsible persons. It gives our senior management here an immediate report of our compliance to accredited standards. There's less sleepless nights, less hours that we actually put in. It's easy for us to follow up. The status of compliance is immediately available when we withdraw reports. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to take out reports out of the system. Immediately I can issue that reports to the various depots and departments and also to senior management.
And the final question is, do you think that the Springboks will ever beat the All Blacks?
There's a great hope, there's a great opportunity, but I think that we need to